Assalamualaikum guys, I am back with a new video. So today I have this 5-in-1 audio hands-free connector jack. So you can connect 5 headphones with it at a time and listen to music. So as you can see, I'm connecting it with an aux cable, and then I'm connecting this aux to my mobile, and let's connect some headphones to it. As you can see, I've connected one pair of headphone, and let's turn on some music. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Let's mount another headphone to it. As you can see, I've mounted another headphones to it. So now they are also working. As you can see, 2 headphones are working at the same time on this 5-in-1 headphone jack, and let's connect another headphone into it, and this headphone is also working. So now you can connect 5 headphones at a time and listen to a particular music on a particular mobile. So that's all for today's video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.